Hey guys, today we are gonna make aloo sabzi. So let's get started. Take a pan, add some oil in it and let it get heated up. Then add some cumin seeds, add some hing on top of it and wait for like 30 seconds. Now mix it up together. Now I have chopped some ginger and garlic. Finally, please add in it and wait for around like 1 minute until it turns golden brown. Now add some green chilies and mix it well. I've also chopped some onions finally and added to our paste. And let it cook well for around 3 or 4 minutes. Now add some turmeric, with that lal mirch. The color looks beautiful. Now mix it well again and add your tomato puree in it and let it simmer for around 6 to 7 minutes until the tomato get properly mixed up with the paste. Till the time you can boil potatoes around 3 or 4. But with that, I added jeera powder and garam masala to my paste. With that, I added salt after 4 minutes. Now, I'm adding potatoes to it. Mix it well. I use around 3 potatoes. Now add a little bit of water. Do not add it like a whole cup. Now add a little bit more. And stir it together. Now I added some amchur powder to it. It gives a very tangy taste. Now added some fresh coriander, finely chopped. Now let it sit for around 10 to 12 minutes. And your aloo sabzi is ready. Serve it hot. You can also add some lemon if you want. I enjoyed that with some kachoris. And see you in the next vlog.